Hey, it's Paul with Rack Attack, and this is the Yakima CookOut Portable Propane 2-Burner Stove. So this stove is portable. It measures just 22 inches in width, about 13 inches in depth, and about 4 inches high. It has quality construction of stamped steel. The lid has this embossed mountainscape. There is a quick release latch on the front. The lid is supported by the wind guards on both sides. The grill is nickel chrome. The grill is also removable for easier cleaning. The drip pan is stainless steel. You have two stainless steel burners with a 14,000 BTU capacity. Each burner has its own independent regulator. And you have a central piezo ignition to light those burners. Now, the unit comes with the rigid connector for a propane tank. Now, it's also portable in that you can close this back up, get the latch to engage, and you also have a recessed handle on the back, giving that even more portability. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Yakima CookOut Portable Stove. This product and the full line of the Yakima Open Range series of camp kitchen products, they're all available at rackattack.com. If you have any questions or comments about this particular product, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.